Here's Remodel AI app, interior design, landscape, and home renovation. So you can just tap get. There are so many these AI home design apps. This one is one of the top ones. Discover the future of home renovations with Remodel AI, groundbreaking app that allows you to effortlessly visualize and achieve your dream home transformation. Simply snap a picture of any space and watch it instantly transform into a designed masterpiece. Our app caters to every design preference, be it chic modernity, timeless elegance, rustic charm, or classical beauty. And then you can just open it up, and yeah, here it is. So here's the app. You can just see it in here, and then visualize your remodel. So yearly $50, monthly $10, so free plan. 3 generations per week. So here you can just try that. Then you can just go and create an account easily with Google or Apple. Then you can just select what you want to remodel. Full remodel, exterior, landscaping, new floors, new walls, paint. So for example, landscaping. So if I select this, then I can just, so you can select starting image. So for example, I have this place. And then you just wanna select which style you wanna, modern, traditional, organic modern, postmodern, Scandinavian, traditional, southwestern, transitional, cottage, Asian Zen. So let's select Asian Zen, and then custom style. You can just add this and style image, and that's basically it starts generating. Again, it's doing it for free. I have 5 free generations per week in this app. That's why probably it's getting some traction. Oh, it's already having that like 8 free generations. And then there you have it. Then you can just see the results like that. So this is probably not yet super professional architectural app, but this is the app just to give you vibes and ideas. Like you can easily snap a photo of your room, and if you're unsure how you want to make it, just use this app and it give you a glimpse, and you're just like, okay, this can be cool this way, or this can be cool another way. And then obviously you can just show it to some more professional architect just to give you the vibes. That's how I would use this kind of apps. And then here, just getting these 3 generations. And that's basically it. So try it out.